Hi, welcome to Usha's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dal with this green dal. This green dal, when I went to one restaurant, they said that it is a Mughlai dal. How to make a Mughlai dal with a green dal. For this, for this, but actually this black dal considered as a Mughlai dal, but we can make this dal also a Mughlai dal. We can call it is a Mughlai dal's sister Mughlai dal. So for this, you have to soak half a cup of this moong dal mug. We can call it a mug for about 2 to 3 hours. Plus, I have taken 1 tablespoon of urad dal and 3 tablespoon of that dhulivi moong dal, that is washed moong dal. That also I soaked, and we have to cook this, separate this and separate this for this dal recipe. After this, we require some other items also. I have taken 1 whole big tomato, a piece of ginger, 3 garlic, and very sliced. In this the dal, this onion is very essential. We have to fry this onion very brown color, and then we have to make, and some chilies, and after that is half a teaspoon of jeera. This is tej pata, and then 2 elaichi, and this small piece of lavang, and pepper powder, and the last kasuri methi. Now I'll put this dal in a cooker and this dal in a separate cooker, and after that I'll tell you how to make it. So now see my friends, my har ka dal and my moong dal has come out like this. Make it into with one way. You just mix it so that nothing will be visible. It will mix like this. Even if you can put it in the mixie also, that will also go. See my green dal, that also boiled. So mix both of these. Don't smash the moong dal, because in the dal tadka we need that green gram should be visible. So just this yellow dal is for only binding purpose. So just simply just mix it like this, so that the yellow dal will give you binding and the green moong will be visible. Now keep it aside for this. Then now take one kadai type, this thing, one kachhi or whatever it is, one vessel, thick vessel. The bottom should be thick. Then pour ghee, whatever it is. I am going to put a ghee in this. When the ghee is hot, put some tej patas, 2 elaichis, which I opened it, 2 cloves, and some half a teaspoon of jeera. Little bit of hing. When the jeera start giving nice smell, I am getting the aroma of asafoetida, hing, as well as the jeera and ghee. All are giving you very nice smell. At this stage, add the nicely cut onions. This is a this is the best difficult process. We have to cook the onion till brown color in a slow medium flame. Slow medium. See the onion has become very good color. Now at this time I am putting that big tomato I show you, tomatoes. I made it a puree. That also I have to add in this. At this time we can add a little bit salt. And half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Let it cook for some times. That from that masala the oil should come out. Turmeric. Half a spoon jeera powder. You can see a nice oil is coming out. See, it means our masala is done. At the time, make the heat little bit low and pour half a cup of dahi, that is curd. Always when you pour the curd, make the fire low, heat should be low, and stir nicely. See, the color of the masala is becoming so nice now. Cook for some time. Add our dal in this. Stir slowly so that dal should not break, because its main thing is that the dal should be visible in this. This type of dal is little bit thick only, and if at all you want little bit loose, then put only hot water in this. I am pouring hot water in this little bit. And in a separate pan, you take this much of butter and heat it in a very slow fire. Heat the butter. See, now our this butter is ready. Take kasuri methi, crush it and put it in this butter. kasuri methi in this. Pour some of butter also. Our dal is done. At the last, little bit of garam masala. Switch off the flame. Add some ghee and some coriander leaves. Yeah, our dal is done. Thank you, viewers. Please subscribe my channel also for the next good upload of recipes. Till then, goodbye. Bye.